Which is?
The geometry of the circumscribed tetrahedron, the way the planetary physics works.
Oh, yes.
We found all the way across the solar system that the largest upwelling of lavas or energy or vorticular, spots on giant planets or the sunspots on the sun is at 19.5 north and south. Well, on the front side of the moon, in the upper left-hand side of the disk, there is this upwelling between the crater Euler and I forget the other one. And the paper says it's between about 19 and about 22 north, with the median being at 19.5 north.
So what would have melted it?
Well, the interior of the moon has been liquid in the past. All right, it has cooled. Now that, of course, gives us some relative dating because we've got lunar rocks, right?
Yes.
In those lunar rocks, we probably have crushed bits of debris of stuff that's not natural,
right,
that is artificial, which means that in the half-ton of lunar material that the astronauts brought back, if we're lucky, there is actual artificial material mixed in that should be evident in the chemical and isotopic and other signature analysis.
I remember, Richard, after they brought the moon rocks back, everybody had great expectations. There was a long period of scientific examination, after which they basically came back and said they're rocks.
Well, they're not. I mean, that's a very, very, very outside perspective. When you really get into the papers, and I have now spent a year and a half going through the papers, there are wondrous clues that in some of the material returned by the astronauts, we have actual samples of beaten, smashed, previously manufactured stuff. Because of the weird chemistry, the weird isotopes. I mean, these things are weird.